Hi everyone, welcome to Enterprise Portal's CHAUWK features demo for the training. Here we are covering training as a section in the enterprise services of CHAUWK platform, which is meant for offering trainings to users of CHAUWK app. It could be your employees, it could be general public where you want to deliver the training. When it is for the employees, it is a closed environment where only your employees will be able to see that training. Or low members or team members will only be able to see the training. And when it is chosen as public, it will be for anyone in the public pool who would want to let's see their training. So let's start the list from the list of training section. So once you open the platform after registering and completing your agreement with CHAUWK team, you will be able to, access list of trainings. And once you give your consent to that agreement, you can add training category. So let's start. Let's call it test 2 and let's make it only for your employees and call it as a demo training. Let's upload a picture which is of the category which your employees will see. And let's use job type info now. Similarly, you can upload a picture for the category also, and let's take the same picture for the purpose of demonstration. And you can also add a message at the end of the training for people to see once they complete the training. Let's go on congratulations. And you can also upload a certificate or a picture later to that. Again, we'll use the same image. Then you will send the category for basically approval from the CHAUWK team. Let's send it. So once the training is sent for approval, it will show as pending in the request. And as you stated for employees, it is showing as for employee. You can also edit it. In the meanwhile, we'll require you get any approval in case you want to edit something and you have to, then move on for the video section to be able to, add. Now, this training is a game-based training where you can actually create levels in the training with videos and back it up with question answers so that the users of the trainees can go through the video as being leg and then complete their quizzing to be able to go to the next leg. So it's like a game-based approach, and for every closure, you will be able to monitor, and they will also be able to see it on the app as points earned. So that way, you are able to engage, and they are able to go through this game-based training to learn the topic you want to go. So to add certain content, you have to select that same training. Let's select text test 2 and now add a video. So to add a video, you can, first select the video and select the training in which you want to add the video. Let's select the training, which is test 2. This is sequence 1. So first we select 1. If we try to use 2, it will not allow we. So let's go on the title as CHAUWK 1. And let's add the video one. So you aren't typically you'll take it from the YouTube where you have your videos already uploaded in your private channel. Or you can agree with CHAUWK Saves team to post your video files into their private, servers where they will be able to share with you the links and you will be able to post these links as stages. So let's go to, the YouTube to take a channel for the URL from the YouTube. Spoken. Instead, he'll copy the UI. He'll come back to this grinding in case the URL. And let's give a little description. What CHAUWK data services. Now you can also upload a background image in that page of the app where the users will be able to access your trainings. Let's use the same image. And then you upload the video. So this will be posted and will get published once CHAUWK admin team approves. It is, as you've been seeing, showing in approval stage. Now you will similarly keep adding more videos as next stages of the training. And as I earlier explained, you can also add, the question answer. So let's add a question. What is this video about? About premium? Let's call it HR services. Is it large sports training or finance or about, let's call it operations. We know it's about HR services, so you'll select whichever is the right answer. Your answer one is the right answer, and you'll say yes. So the question is saved. So the user will be able to see this question after they complete this video and go to the stage of quizzing. So unless they answer this correctly, they will not be able to go to the next stage. So this is how it works. And additionally, if you have employees, you can, currently in this, you are not able to see me, but when you have employees, you will be able to add them and give them the permission of which training they can access or which they cannot. And for each of those users, you will also be able to see the progress in the training report section. So going back to the list of trainees, this is showing, pending for approval. And, once this is approved, this becomes available to your set of approved employees on the CHAUWK app, which they are using, and you will be able to easily engage them and train them as per your desires for improving their productivity, improving their services, improving their quality of work as per the company requirements. So this is about it, friends. For more details, you can write to us or connect with us through this support section where you can actually type in your queries and we will be happy to reach out to you and resolve and clarify further queries. Thank you, friends.